Imagine standing in Philadelphia, 1776. The air is thick with fear and hope. A man holds a parchment, trembling hands, but a fearless heart. Around him, whispers rise into roars. Because that day, a nation was born, each word a spark of courage. He doesn't write for power, but for freedom. And at last, his hand stops over the words that will change the world. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. Outside, the people wait. Mothers hold their children close, soldiers grip their muskets tighter. No one knows what tomorrow brings, but they all know the world will never be the same again. Then it happens. The Liberty Bell rings. Once, twice, its echo rolls through the streets of Philadelphia. Children cheer, mothers weep, soldiers lift their hats to the sky. That sound wasn't just a bell, it was the heartbeat of freedom. But freedom didn't come easily. The years that followed were soaked in blood and smoke. Families torn apart, cities burned. Yet, hope never died. Through every dark night, that bell still echoed, reminding them what they were fighting for. Today, the Liberty Bell stands cracked, but not broken, just like the spirit of the nation it represents. Because freedom was never perfect, but it was always worth fighting for. Always.